So, friends, good evening. Uh, I just want before getting into the, I hope everybody enjoyed the networking session. I just need again, let's get into action by the chat, not good evening chats. Let's have yes or no. Did you enjoy the networking session between 4:15 and 4:30? Did you meet new people there? So practically, if this is happening, it's a matter of time. We should increase the networking time from 15 minutes to maybe 20, 25 minutes so that everybody will get a chance to know new member. Because I just met someone in Shillong. That is, he was a Rotarian from Tripura. That is Agartala. He was saying my networking 15 minutes there has connected him to a lot of new Rotarians from across the country. And that again connected him. And when he travels there, he could actually even meet them. So I was so happy to hear about this. That means our platform is not just giving the training, it's also helping people to connect to new Rotarians, and I'm sure having new friendship and new business relationship also along with them. So coming back to today's topic. So today's topic is very focused on how to increase participation, how to increase visibility of what is happening in your club every week. So let me ask a question. How do you currently communicate to members about the next week's program? It can be an event or anything. You can just write WhatsApp, SMS, email. Example. I'm sure everybody, I want everybody to chat. I want all the 242 messages coming here. WA, that's fine. So everybody use WhatsApp to chat. Excellent. So we all use WhatsApp to communicate to members about the next week's event. But unfortunately, that particular chat has got access to most of the members. So that chat group, it is additional to the communication coming from the club president. It also has so many other informations coming in. It can be a breaking news happening in the city, or it can be a greeting, or it can be some joke or some forward keep on happening there. So what happens is that the important communication which is going from the club gets vanished, and the rest of the data comes in. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no. Do you agree with me that in WhatsApp there are so many other communication happens, and because of that, unfortunately, the president or a secretary's important communication is not visible clearly. Second, when you send a communication that goes into your club's WhatsApp group, but imagine next week I have a beautiful speaker coming into my club. You may want people other than your club members also to participate in that. That means you want more visibility of your communication. Agreed? Do you agree with me that you are normally you have a good speaker coming in? Your club may be having 25 people, but you also want some new prospective members or a Rotarian from other clubs also to know about the good things happening in your club so that they can also participate in the club meeting. How do we do it? Second is, imagine, I'm just putting a thought. Imagine a club meeting is happening next Thursday, or say, let's say this weekend, this Saturday. Example. You created a beautiful creative saying that this Saturday we have so and so speaker coming into my club and giving a presentation. Please, all of you should please join. Now you get into your business, your work. You may forget to send a reminder again tomorrow. But now imagine a system where the system will keep reminding about the event which is happening in the weekend automatically at the time that you want it to remind, plus the communication that you send can also be seen in the mobile application, that is Rotary India app or the RI Zones 4567 app. Plus it can also be seen in the club website of ours in case we have an integrated club website. It can also be seen in the district website, and of course in the app in the district module too, at no extra cost to you. So do you want to use this tool? Where I'm just giving examples. I'm putting a notification That information goes into my club website's calendar. It goes into my district website calendar. It also goes into my mobile application in the club and district module. Plus, of course, it gives us multiple reminders, and that too at no extra cost. Plus, whatever content which I do, I can convert into a beautiful creative or a design with the logo of my club on the top. I can also share it to outside my club by another WhatsApp group or whatever you want. Even that is taken care by the system. Now let's visualize how this happens. I'm going to actually add a upcoming event to my club website, which I can do it on my mobile or I can do it from my computer. I'm going to show it from the computer because much easier for everybody to see the screen. So I'm repeating, when I add this information, it goes into my mobile applications calendar, it goes into my district calendar, it goes into my club website, it goes into my district website. It also reminds members from time to time before the end of the till the event gets over. So that, and plus one more thing, imagine I as a member, I open the mobile application, I can also add it as a calendar content in my particular Google or Apple calendar, so that my calendar also gets blocked. That means my meeting is happening, example, on a Thursday evening at so and so time. It blocks on my calendar too. So it will also give you a reminder from the calendar. And all this, there is no cost to you, friends. This is a part of the system. So all we are doing is we want you to use this tool so that you will have more participation. Do you feel that by imagine you remind your members, imagine all you have 100 members in your club. You keep reminding them, boss, this week we have this event, we want you to participate. Imagine that reminder goes multiple times. Chances of participation is high. Yes or no? Say yes or no. By having a beautiful reminder without disturbing them, by giving the regular reminders. I have a beautiful speaker coming in this week. It is not that people do not want to attend to it. We they forget because they have too many things happening in their mind. So Rotary is not everything for everybody in the club. So chances are that I may forget to come for the meeting, or I don't remember that this speaker is coming for my club this week. So having this notification going there automatically without your interference, once you do it, is what we are going to learn. So all the president elects or presidents or secretaries who are the admins of the club, we have already given the admin rights of for using the RI zones 4567 uh, app as well as the portal. So you will be able to easily add this thing. No other person, only the admins can add this information. So I'm going to show you. But before that, let me just ask you, have you all downloaded the app RI Zones 4567, or we call it as Rotary India? Have you downloaded this app? Say yes or no. I need a message, yes or no. I'm fine in no too. So great. I'm sure I'm seeing everybody writing yes. So what we'll also do is, but I will also add, I'm sure all of you are part of the masterclass WhatsApp group. We'll also send a message there. What you can do is you can also share that message to your own members so that every member of your club can download this app. This app is not just for admins, the app is for every Rotarian of your club. So we'll also send a link here right away. So someone will share the link right away here. So you can click on that link and download it, or you can share it, or you can also, we'll also send it in the evenings minutes of meeting that we send. We'll also send the link to you. You can share it from there. Plus, you can also join the WhatsApp group of masterclass where we will push it again so that you are part of the uh, masterclass group. Again, there is no junk. It's only admin only messages. So there is no GAN, there is no junk. It's only clear communication on the masterclass communication. Pinky's already shared the link. You can join that WhatsApp group. That is purely to get only the messages related to masterclass and nothing else. So we are not going to bombard you with any GAN or extra messages coming there. So now let me show you how we are doing this. I'm going to go to one of the Rotary clubs where I have the data. I'm just going to my own club. I'm just going to Rotary India or RI Zones platform. I want everybody to see this, friends. Day one, the first day, first show. Yesterday was a day one of the new year of work. And can you see this? 134 projects are already been added by 87 Rotary clubs yesterday. That means these people, I'm sure, have done the project and they have already added the information here. So this is what our task is going to be, to ensure that any project that we do, we keep on adding it in the Rotary India or RA Zones 4567 platform. Now I'm just logging into my club. Friends, today Rotary India will work a bit slow because there are a lot of tasks going on in the background. We are downloading all the fresh data of members from Rotary International to this, because we need so many changes of members in every club. So because of that, we are actually on the background. There is a lot of work going on. So because of that, you may find the process working a bit slow today. Please excuse me for that. Friends, most important part is helpline. So can you see the helpline number on the top and the email ID? So why am I showing this is, any problem that you face, whether in terms of mobile application or you don't know how to log in, or you need some help in terms of doing that, and I don't know how to add a project, I don't know how to upload so and so, anything, you are most welcome to call the helpline number, which is on the top here. When you log in, you'll see this number, or you can also send an email to support at the rate of RI zones 4567, which you can see it here. So the reason I'm saying this is because the new presidents, new problems, new tensions, don't have to worry. Just communicate either on this email ID or during the office hours. We can also call on these two numbers. That is 8424064369 or 892 8755 144. As I told you, there's a bit lag today. Please excuse me. Now, I'm in the dashboard of my club, and the topic today is communicating. So when I click on the communication, I can see a button called as upcoming events. You can see this button, upcoming events and announcements. Let me explain you both. What is upcoming event? As I told you, is about the upcoming event where the information is also shared outside my mobile application of my club. That means the district can know, the website can know, the club or district website, everywhere it is shown. When you put an announcement, it is typically only within the mobile application module of your club. That means, imagine you want to give a message, it is only limited to your club's requirement. You can use the announcements to do it. Or now I'm looking on the upcoming events to add a project here. Give me a second. एक रुक अभी दो आधा now I need to add either an announcement or a signal. I don't want to go into announcement. Let me go into the upcoming events where I said we are just using the announcement for during only the communication on the announcement part. Give me a second. Now I'm going into upcoming events. So when I go into upcoming events, now let us see, I add an event from here. Today you just need to have a bit more patience because of the speed. Yeah. Now when I click on the ad, you just need to click on the upcoming events and click on the add button. So now can you see this? It also shows all the expired event. That means all the old events which has been added by the club also can be seen here for your own reference. You can see all the old information added. Now it's getting into the first page of the new event. See the title. Title, description, event date, publish date, expiry date, plus photograph also can be added. And where do you meet? Even that can be added. Everything is here. Now, I'm going to show you the event which my club is already shared with me. I'm going to add that here. Give me a second. I'm just showing you that page. Now, this is the event of my club for tomorrow. First club assembly happening on 3rd, that is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, and it's happening at Federation House, first floor. Dinner and happy hours to follow. This is the image. Now I'm going to enter this information in my place. Okay, now I'm going to enter the title list. First club assembly. See, I'm not writing the date, I'm not writing the venue here. I'm just writing, dear Rotarians, let us meet for our first club assembly. Event is followed by happy hour and dinner. Dinner, club president. Now, when is the event date? My club event is on 3rd, that is tomorrow. Happening at what time? 7 o'clock. when do you want to publish? What it means? So I'm just explaining it to everybody. Please understand what even by see now today I'm just putting an event of tomorrow, but normally what happens is we are putting event maybe a week earlier. So I can decide what time and when I want this to be published. I'm saying 17:05, that is today at 17:05, that is 5 p.m. The event will be published. That means everybody can see it. What is the expiry date? My event is happening tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. So I don't need this event after tomorrow night. That means the expiry date is tomorrow night. Now, address is changed. They have put a different address. I'm writing Federation House. I don't need to write that in the description. I'm using Federation House, Wangle Estate, Thane West. Example 400604. Now, in case there is a registration link or a RSVP button, additional to a this, we can also use this button. Now, I'm going to click on, do you want repeat notification? I said yes for the repeat notification. Unfortunately, because my server is a bit slow today, it's going a bit slow. I'm so sorry. So now I'm putting repeat notification. Can you see this button here? So I'm putting a notification for tomorrow morning. I don't want to disturb them before 8 o'clock. So 8:10 tomorrow morning, I need a reminder. Now, tomorrow evening is an event. So I want one more reminder, maybe tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. So that in the evening they will come for sure. Because I want to remind them on. So I'm going to put one more reminder tomorrow at 16:05. Now that means tomorrow evening at 4 o'clock, I'm putting a reminder for tomorrow evening's event. If you want, I can also put third reminder, example, at 6 o'clock, so that chance ही नहीं है public को नहीं मालूम पड़ेगी. They have to know that there's an event happening in my club. I'll put one more for tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. Now, I can also add this particular image which I showed you. I'll add that image too. So I'll just click on this. If there is no image, does not matter. I can click on this and add that image too. I've added that image. It will take time to upload. And I click on save button. Now the system will automatically add this, and once it is added, as I said, on a specific time which is notified, a notification also will go to every member. So now let me explain it. I selected the event date, that is tomorrow evening. I selected the published date, which is happening at published date is now I put it, and the event is happening tomorrow evening. So after the event tomorrow evening, there is no action. So I want to delete this upcoming event. So there is no junk left in the system. I don't want people to by mistake read this draft tomorrow morning because the event is getting over tomorrow evening. Am I right? So now I put all the three dates. I'm showing you that again. I put all the three dates: event date, published date, expiry date, and then I came down here and I also put the other schedules here. Clear on this part? Now, this event will be seen even in the club website. Plus, it also be seen in the mobile application. I'll just show that to you. It is not yet been updated. Unfortunately, the server is working very, very slow. Yes, it's saved and I can show you on my phone just now. I'll just share this phone screen here. Now look at my phone screen. I go into my mobile app. I go into my club, or I can also click on this upcoming events. So when I click on the upcoming event, I can also see the events happening in various places. I can just click on the club also. When I click on the calendar here, event, it shows my upcoming event here. Click on it, I can see the entire thing here. Plus, I can also add it to my calendar of my phone. So now it is added to my calendar. You can see the events, the date, time, Federation House, Walkley Estate, everything is added. Now I can also convert this into a PDF file. Example, I just clicked on it. It gets converted into a PDF file, or I can also download, let me see, yeah, into a PDF file. I'll show you that PDF file too. Now, when I click on my district calendar, I click on my district calendar. I click on the calendar of my district events. Can you see this? I just wrote join Thane Hills first club assembly. Click on it, I get this data. Can you see this in the district calendar? I can see the event happening on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, happening in different parts of the district of ours. That means I just added it here and it has gone into my calendar of my club. It gone into the calendar of my district, plus it is also coming as a notification in the notification because I put a specific time. So tomorrow morning at 8:10, it will notify every member too. So that means when I click on the Thane Hills, I can see the calendar, I can know the upcoming events, I can know the information. Now I'll just show you what I converted. I'll just check that. One second. It gets converted into a PDF I showed you. I don't know how to copy the PDF. Give me a second. So when I click on this Thane Hills, click on the calendar, click on the event, click on this, I click on this and I'm just trying to save it as I can directly send it on a WhatsApp to my friends also from here. When I click on it, it gets converted into a PDF and it gets me sent in a WhatsApp to people. I'll just show that. But because I'm showing it from the desktop version, it's not allowing me to type the password here. Let me see. So it gets converted into PDF. I'm just showing you that PDF too. Give me a second. Yeah. See this now. Can you see this? It got converted to a PDF file with the image, with the content. So I could share this PDF from my phone to someone else. So even this is converted into a PDF file here. So I can just share it the PDF to example. I want to send it to Vansh. I can just click on it, send it to him. It goes to him as a PDF file, or I can send it to and send it to them. So that means I don't need to even waste time creating a content into a design. Even that is being taken care. And when you open that, you'll come to, I'll just open that file. Hold on. Download and open that. Give me a second. Yeah, download it. See this. It got converted into an image. It also shows Rotary of Thane Hills, the logo and the content. Everything is converted into a PDF format from the system. That means I just added the information, and once it go into my calendar, I can also convert into a PDF with the banner of my club name. Now, when I go to my club website, what happens? Let me just go to my club website. I go to my club website. Now click on the calendar. Can you see this? The information also has come here. I can read the entire information with the content in the club website. Dear Rotarians, let's meet for our first club assembly. Event is followed by happy hours and dinner. Date, Federation House, address, everything is there, including the creative, is gone to my club website. Now I'm going to my district website. I go into my district website, going to the calendar, and can you see this? It is there in my district website too. So I just need to go into the calendar. It also can be seen in my district website automatically. So can you see this on the third? When I click on the third, you can actually see the event of third, which says join Tanya's club assembly. So that means I just added in one place. It's gone into my club's calendar in the mobile application. It's gone into my district calendar in the mobile application. It's gone into my district website. It's gone into my club website. What else I need? The information is shared everywhere. Plus, I could convert this into a PDF file so I can share it to my other members of my club too. That means even making a design of PDF also is taken care by the system. That means the entire process is now handled by that. Plus, as I told you, it is going to give multiple reminders tomorrow. It's going to give a reminder in the morning at 8 o'clock, sometime in the afternoon, sometime in the evening, so that the chances of people missing is less. And all you require is to ensure that every member downloads this application. So you don't need to worry about sending in the WhatsApp. If you want to send it in WhatsApp, you send it. I'm not saying no. But by doing this, you don't have to keep on doing that. So now I'll tell you why that specific time of publish time was shown. Event time is fine. Tomorrow evening is event time. What is publish time and what is a expiry date? Imagine people are working in the night. You are working in the night. Let's say now Rama Suresh is sitting in the night at 11:30, 12 o'clock and entering this data. You may not want to disturb your members at 12 o'clock with a noise saying that tomorrow is my club assembly. No, you want it to be coming to them at a specific time that they are comfortable with. Maybe after 8 o'clock in the morning, after 8:30 in the morning. So that is the reason the published time is the first time it's going to be notified on a specific time that you want it to be notified. Now, let me give you one more hint in this. Imagine you are a completely prepared person. You have your next 4 weeks event is ready. You can add it today and give different published time. That means next week's event I'm putting today as a published time. That is this week's event. Next week I'm going to give published time after my first event is over. That is, imagine my event is tomorrow evening. So day of tomorrow morning, that is Friday morning, my second event will also be posted automatically. I don't need to do it again. It's automatically taken care. Third event also is posted. Why? Because I already planned. Nobody can see the that event unless the published time is uh, once once it crosses the published time. So till then that event cannot be seen. So that means you can actually plan your future events, add them in the system, and let it be known to people only when you want them to know to the people. So did you understand what I'm saying to say? So that simple the process is. You don't need to waste time doing everything every week. You're organized, you have the information about, see, a lot of club presidents I know, they organize and they have the calendar for next 3 months. Add them here. In case of a change, just go there and delete that particular event. Imagine one specific event that a change happening. Okay, ठीक है, जाके वो particular event को change कर दो. बाकी का आपको काम नहीं करने का change. So your event team of a club can actually manage these upcoming events much more organized way. So clear? So any doubt on this? Any serious doubt? Please ask me the question. I can handle it. Now, in that there is another button called as send it through WhatsApp. I did not talk much about it. Why? Because I do not want you to buy the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a third-party tool where unfortunately we also need to pay for it. And that is only when you have members who have not downloaded the mobile application. If they have downloaded the app, there is no cost to you. Why? Because the notification comes from the app itself. But in case you feel that they are not going to download the app for whatever reasons, you want it to be sent still in a WhatsApp, only then select that button of WhatsApp. The same notification will be sent through the RS Zones 4567 WhatsApp number to every club member. Sharbani, good question. Who else can manage the notifications? Adding information can only be done by the admins of the club. Nobody else can do it. Now, how do I need to add an admin? We'll have a separate session on that, or I can just show you that if the speed is better for me in the screen, I can show you that. But in the directory option, there is an option to add or remove any admins of the club, which I'll explain you. So only those admins can do it. Yes, Nazdeen. So in case you want something to be seen only for your club, use the announcement button. So that information will not cross your club. Example, say someone is expired in your club. That notification, it is not a happy notification you want to share to the world. Use that in the announcement part. It is only seen by the members of your club. Or today you're writing, okay, I just saw today messages saying that the dollar price in Rotary is 85 rupees. It is a information. It is not a event that you want it to be shown in the district or a club website. Use the announcement for doing that.